Yeah, so I'm going to be talking about our MagLink short hop system. So Jawad did a great job giving an overview of short hops in general, specifically EM short hops. Ours is a little bit different. Let me just skip ahead and start with the picture. So we already saw this kind of in the presentation earlier, but short hop basically gets data from the RSS to the MWD. So our MagLink short hop system is magnetic based, and so we communicate through magnetic fields, so there's no gap subs required either on the transmitter or the receiver, and it's entirely probe based, so nothing connects to the collar housings or anything. And so here you have the RSS on the right, the transmitter collar goes on top of the RSS, you see the transmitter module there highlighted in the middle, and then on the left you have the receiver, which goes into the MWD. And so let me jump back to the high-level overview. And so currently the range is about 20 feet. So as Jawad mentioned, magnetic systems are a bit more limited in range, but we have done lab tests up to 60 and 70 feet, so we are targeting being able to hop a motor in the near future. And then as mentioned, it's completely probe-based. So the receiver is just a 19-inch probe you put in your MWD right above the pulse driver, and then the transmitter is fully self-contained as well. And so currently it's compatible with the Halliburton iCruise, although there's compatibility with other systems coming soon. And so one of the challenges with magnetic communication is that magnetic fields do decay rather quickly. And so this technology that we've developed has come out of our work in magnetic ranging, where we have to do a lot of work to get our magnetometers noise floor extremely low and the sensitivity as high as possible. And so with the developments we've made in magnetic communication through magnetic ranging, and in the communication systems, we're able to achieve these distances that are not necessarily that common with magnetic systems. And so here's kind of a brief comparison. So we've had requests from operators and service companies for an option without a gap sub. Gap subs have improved in reliability significantly over the years, but there are occasional failures. I don't think they're very common, but nevertheless. So depending on your application, maybe an EM short hop is a better fit, or maybe MagLink. It just depends on how much distance you need, how much speed you need. And ultimately, at the end of the day, the mud pulse telemetry link is going to be kind of your limitation on the speed you really need. But it is convenient that our system is not affected by formation characteristics as well. And so here's just kind of a more zoomed in picture. So you can see that the transmitter is below there, right on top of the RSS, and the receiver is in the MWD. And so magnetic systems are somewhat susceptible to shock and vibrations, so we've done a lot of work to make sure that it's really stable, and the communication is really solid with a lot of error correction and some unique techniques in how we transmit the data that I can't really get into. But yeah, so we've tested it at very high RPMs, 20 G's RMS shock and vibration, high shocks, and we've had very good success with that so far. And so we'll be entering field trials soon, and keep you all posted on that on LinkedIn. All right, thank you.